Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Here on this channel I always like to share with you guys effective ways of using natural homemade recipes to achieve a flawless, radiant and youthful looking skin. So in today's video I want to share with you an effective way and a safe way to actually whiten your face without causing any harm to it. This remedy is going to actually help you if you are having pimple or acne, and it will also clean your face and also make it more whiter and brighter. It will also help you with your dark circles, it will lighten up your wrinkle, and it will give you a youthful and radiant looking skin. So if this sounds so interesting to you, please, I would like you to subscribe and also keep watching in order to get all the detailed information. So without wasting much of your time, why don't you follow me and let me show you. So in the first step, I'll be showing you how to do a facial steaming. You will have to cover your hair and make sure that your face and neck are clean. Boil a hot water and pour it in a bowl depending on your bowl size. Add 4 pieces of lemon in a water and also add a full cup of sea bath salt and hold your face 6 inches above the water. Raise or lower your head if you need more or less heat. You will need to steam your face for 5 to 10 minutes. Lemon has natural bleaching properties and is rich in vitamin C, which is an antioxidant properties that is good for skin lightening, and it also contains antifungal and antibacterial properties too. It will help to fight acne and also lighten up dark spots, blemishes and hyperpigmentation. Sea bath salt is a natural exfoliant. It will exfoliate dead skin cells and it also acts as a disinfectant to kill bacteria. It absorbs and eliminates toxins and cleanses your skin's pores deeply. Facial steaming is a skin treatment that helps to open up your pores and helps to loosen up any build-up dirt and gives it a deeper cleansing. It will also soften blackheads and make them much easier to remove. It promotes circulation and also shrinks large pores. Facial steaming will give you a natural and a healthy looking skin. So in step 2, I will be adding 2 tablespoons of white sugar. Sugar will exfoliate dead skin cells and brighten a dull skin. It will give you a smooth and flawless skin. The next ingredient I'll be adding is baking soda, and I'll be adding half tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda is a natural exfoliant and can whiten and lighten acne scars. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey is a natural exfoliator. Honey will help to keep your skin looking younger, radiant and smooth. Honey will help to lighten scars and is used to treat acne. Honey will also help to lighten wrinkles and it will give you a natural glow. Lemon is a natural bleaching properties and is rich in vitamin C, which is an antioxidant properties that is good for skin lightening. Once you are done adding all these ingredients, stir very well and let it mix properly. Now apply it on your entire face and give it a thorough but gentle scrub. After scrubbing, you will have to rinse it with a warm water. So in step 3 and the final step, I will be making a facial mask with tomato. The acidity in tomato helps to get rid of dull and rough skin. Tomato keeps the skin firm and helps to diminish fine lines. Tomato also helps to shrink large pores and brightens up your complexion. It cleanses and exfoliates to remove dead skin cells that can clog pores and cause acne, whiteheads or blackheads. A regular use of tomato will leave your face polished with a wonderful glow. And now I will be grating the tomato into a paste and then pour it into a mixing bowl. Next ingredient I will be adding is turmeric, and I will be adding 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Turmeric is rich in antioxidants and it has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and also it has natural antiseptic. Turmeric can also work wonders to your skin conditions like eczema, and it also fights off acne and helps to keep the bacteria from spreading. Turmeric can also help to reduce redness and blemishes. The combination of tomato and turmeric will help to give you an amazing and beautiful skin in just a few days of application. Because it's turmeric and I want to protect my cloth, that's why I had to cover my dress. So this is it, and I will have to rub it all over my entire face. All the ingredients that I use are all safe and effective, and it's also natural and chemical free. You have to repeat all these steps 2 to 3 times every week to see faster results. This treatment is not just for face whitening, because all ingredients that I've used here have a lot of amazing skin benefits with no side effects. So I'm going to leave it on my face for 30 minutes and I'll show you how it is before I go wash it off. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so here it is. It's exactly 30 minutes and as you can see my face is all dry. I have no tingling feeling whatsoever. No, it's all safe, like I said, all safe. Now I'm going to go wash it off, and when I come back I will show you my face. Guys, so I'm back and here is the result. But my face kind of feel a little bit dry, and I have my coconut oil here which I'm going to rub on my face to moisturize my face. Here, my coconut oil. Applying coconut oil on your face will help to keep your skin smooth, softer, and hydrated. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you find it very helpful. Like and share and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on the notification bell, and please, if you have any question, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye bye.